Shuttle and tricycle drivers in Awka, Anambra State capital, have eulogized the governor, Soludo, for giving them free insurance scheme upon payment of weekly and monthly agreed levy. Some of them who spoke to the ABS said the scheme is the best thing the Soludo administration has done for them. Chibuzo Okoye has detailed.
A Tricycle operator, Mr. Obiuju, commended the governor for his magnanimity and promised that he will pay his monthly levy soonest in order to enjoy the benefits embedded into the scheme. Mr. Uju advised his colleagues to embrace the scheme, especially now that the country is witnessing a very turbulent economy, and prayed God to bless the governor. Another Tricycle rider, Mr. Chukwuka Ebue from Agolo, an Osha local government area, said that what the governor has done is an indication that he truly cares for the good of his people and wanted him to extend the largesse to their family members. A shuttle driver, Mr. Peter Ibubechukwu, equally welcomed the new development, but wanted the governor to have a second look at the payment system, as according to him, one vehicle could break down for a month, which will make the owner unable to pay.
Based on that thing, like that much they for 1 week, the mechanic. So now that week also we are because now I'm now like now. For this month, happens that one like 1 month or a few weeks. For that, with that week and count, or I will pay another one.
Governor Soludo had recently, through the Commissioner for Information, Sapol Nwosu, announced free health insurance premium tagged Solution Care for drivers and riders who have paid their weekly or monthly levies. In Awka, this is Chibuzo Okoye for ABS News.